Ever needed to send money to a friend, pay a bill, or set up a direct deposit and been asked for your routing number? If you're an Ally customer, you've probably wondered, where do I even find that? Well, you're in the right place. In the next 3 minutes, we'll quickly show you how to find your Ally routing number so you can handle your financial tasks without a hitch. What is a routing number? First off, let's quickly explain what a routing number is. Think of it as a bank's unique identifier, a 9-digit code that directs funds to the correct financial institution. It's essentially the bank's address in the financial system. Every bank has one, and for Ally, it's specific to the type of account you have, but there is one standard routing number for most transactions. Knowing this number is essential for things like setting up direct deposit for your paycheck, wiring money, or using online payment services. Finding your Ally routing number. Finding your Ally routing number is super easy. The quickest way is through your Ally online banking account or mobile app. Just log in, and you'll see your account dashboard. From there, select the account you need the routing number for, like your checking or savings account. You'll typically find the routing number right there on the account details page. It's often listed along with your account number. Another easy method is to look at a physical check from your Ally checking account. The routing number is the first 9-digit number printed on the bottom left corner of the check. It's right before your account number. This is a classic and reliable way to find the number. What about if you need to set up a wire transfer? For wire transfers, Ally uses a different routing number. You'll need to find the specific wire transfer instructions on their website or by contacting their customer service. This is an important distinction to remember: standard transactions versus wire transfers. A quick recap. So, to recap, there are two main ways to find your Ally routing number. Online or on the app, log into your Ally account, select your specific account, and the routing number will be listed in the account details. On a check, look at the bottom left of your Ally check for the 9-digit routing number. It's that simple. Now you know exactly where to look for your Ally routing number, whether you're setting up a direct deposit or paying a bill. This little number is a powerful tool for managing your money, and now you know where to find it instantly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.